How to fix connection failed in Genshin Impact. Now, the first thing you want to check out is to make sure that your firewall isn't causing any problems, isn't blocking the Genshin Impact program. So what you want to do here is search up firewall, and here find allow an app through firewall. Once this tab opens up, select change settings and allow another app. And here go to browse, local disk C, program files, find Epic Games, Genshin Impact, and here you should see the launcher. Now click this launcher, it will be added in this section. Click it and click add. Now after this, it should be fixed. If it's not fixed, then it's either a server problem or your own internet is the problem. So what you want to do is press CTRL, Shift and ESC at the same time and open Resource Monitor. Here you can select network and see all of the apps that are using your network right now. If there are any apps that use your network too much, they may be restraining your connection to Genshin Impact. Now if it's a server issue, you might want to change servers. For example, I play on European server, on EU, and if I have a server issue, I would just connect to a different server. And that's how to fix connection failed in Genshin Impact.